Welcome to BabyBlab. On this beautiful journey, as a new parent, you will follow and learn how to take care of a newborn 24/7, step by step, tips and tricks on a daily basis. Let's share some ideas and experience together. Stay tuned, my friends. Good morning, everyone. It is right now 10 to 7, day 3. So he just woke up. I lay him down around 4:45. He's been sleeping for 2 hours 15 minutes. So I think he woke up because of cramps he's having. I'm gonna work out or something like this later. I'm gonna show you guys maybe what I can give for him to help the cramps. And yes, let me grab him and we go from there. I think he has to be changed as well and get fed because it's been 2 hours and a half. So he wakes up every 2 hours. Let me grab him. So what I was told is if they have cramps, the doctor told me chamomile tea. So it's gonna help, diminish cramps according to him. So I heard this as well. My mom told me. So we're gonna try it. So once again, all the time, when you're warming up the milk, all the devices will do the first thing. And he's almost ready, but still. So guys, look at this. These are moments that you're never gonna see again unless you have another kid. Look at the sounds. He's so cute. The milk's not ready yet, so it's still warm. Ready to get fed. So the thing is, usually I put his food to warm it up first, but as he was already crying, so we'll just grab him and they're gonna put the food away now. His take right now pretty much is still 2 ounces. He's a little tough. He don't compromise. Hold on. You have to put your hand down. No. That's it. For those that don't know, this is and I'm Tom. Welcome to BabyBlab 24/7. Okay, we're gonna start the feeding, and you guys are gonna see the whole process. Now it's time to burp. So it was 2.5. I gave him 1.5. I'm gonna burp him right now. Every 1 ounce. He won't be easy, but let's see what we can get out of it. Why? Whenever you cross over his arms, you want his neck to look at this, like this. So that means now I can feed him properly, and then the milk goes under his neck. So he can stay there, so that they catch it and they wipe it off on the bottom. So before that it goes here, later on, it's my hand pretty much, doesn't matter in sweat and cheese right here, which you don't want to. So once you have the baby here, it's just gonna be one spot. But he's not sleeping, he's pretending. So let's keep it going. He still has to finish. And he has to go to him. It was a big fun thing. He doesn't have anything forward. You have to control his food. You have to control his food because if you give too much liquid, he's going to eventually. So we started with 1 ounce, which was 35 cc, I'm sure you guys later, and then double to 2 ounces and a chance knife. So it varies how hungry he is. So let's keep watching. Because what can happen is he can show up. But it's wise to keep him in the right position, upright, feed him properly, working properly, because I didn't have a chance to get seen yet when he's working or having reflux, which is normal for every baby until 8 weeks. Until 8 weeks. We'll see if he makes any ounces before going to the neck. And he still has to be worked. I was saying that if I put the people the reflex is scary because it's the first time you see it. And the reflex falls and they come from nose and mouth, so that's the danger. That's why you place them inside. So let's show you that as we watching him to do the test at least for 30 minutes. So we have to give these extra 30 minutes to make sure the baby won't be choked. There we go, you finish everything. 2 fingers. Hold it over his head, release him, and let's work on it. Let's see what's going to happen, what we can get from it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place him on the sideways. Let's see if he's gonna calm down. That was a fun. So as you guys can see, he didn't burp at all. So we're gonna flip him the other side now and leave him plus 15 minutes. So it's almost 8 o'clock. They said I'll burp him for 20 minutes. Look at this. It's amazing. You guys saw that? I hope you guys saw it. Guys, look at this. This is something there's no price for it. Look at that. There's no price. Look at this. I haven't got a shot like this yet Today is the third day. Yes, we were able to. Oh my God, it's so pleasant. So just place him in the position right here, something on the side. And I'm gonna be watching him. I'm still gonna be watching him. Just remember, have a place in the blanket over the ground because they often fix us. So let's see you guys in the video. I'm placing him right now. I'm not gonna go to the gym. So this is BabyBlab 24/7. Okay, so let's go. See you guys. I just get home from the gym, so we have an appointment. Our first appointment on the third day with our little Zaid. So we're gonna talk to you guys soon, as soon as we head out. Day 3, BabyBlab 24/7 newborn. Oh my God, as you can see, he doesn't like to be in a car seat. Look at his face. Are you comfortable, buddy? Are you comfortable, buddy? Sure you're not, right? Because everything has to be tied up. It's alright. We're gonna work on it and have it ready and safe. Right? Safety first. Calm down. I know you're full and we're gonna work on these things. Okay? So later I'm gonna show you guys how to place the kid on the car seat and all the other details. But he's excited, I guess, to go to his first appointment. Day 3, newborn. Say hi for everybody. Hi. So he's ready to go. Look at this. He's straight up and all comfy to go. And I think he's pooping. Right, Zaid? Guys, we just got here to the first appointment. Day 3. So let's see how is it gonna be today. How many pounds? How big he is? And for sure he's healthy, right? Mommy's right here today. So. Guys, we just came to the pediatrician. He's right there. Guess what? The nurse gave this to us. Oh my God, it's amazing. We believe there are great people around the world. You know how much those they are? You know what I mean? Like, man, it's a lot when we say that's for Thanksgiving. I'm so blessed, and we are blessed. Look at this. I think so. You know, you can check. So, yes. Guys, look at this. The nurse gave to us. That's amazing, man. It's a lot of money right here. We talk about like come on, 40, 80, and 60, like almost $200, $300. Oh my God. That's amazing. We're blessed. Zaid, calm down. Okay. That's it. We're ready to go. So that's how we cover him up. Don't cover his face yet because it's too hot inside. And we're ready to go.
Okay.
Yeah, that's too much.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Okay. Just press the button. So guys, we just got here to BJ's. Just get this off the car. So look at this guy. We're going to BJ's the first time. Oh my God, it's so exciting. So just came up from the pediatrician and everything went fine. And talk to you guys about some details that we learned, and we're definitely going out getting some stuffs for her. And so it's been a really productive day today. Look, we have friends right here. Let's talk to friends. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye. Hold on. We're gonna talk to some friends. They see us, they wanna talk to us. That's all. That's how it's gonna be. So talk to you guys soon. So guys, we are here inside BJ's. So basically we're looking for formula, which this one's the most, you know, I would say effective, because it's gentle. It doesn't constipate the kid. It helps him to have a better night. And now we're looking for diapers. So when you come the first time look for diapers and the kid is only 8 days old, so that means we're gonna look for this kind of brand, or number one. I'm not gonna say the same brand because this is the price, $48.99, and we're gonna go for this one because bring more diapers. It doesn't matter the brand, you know what I mean? So either way, you have a good brand, you're still gonna toss away. So what's the matter getting, you know, something because this brand right here, Pampers, it doesn't matter. It's one kind of $1 more, but it's not because of the dollar. It's because the amount. So that's what we have to think about it. And we're gonna keep going shopping today. It's the first time the baby at BJ's, and we are having fun. Right, Zaid? Yeah, he's sleeping. Oh yeah, he's sleeping. Okay, so he's not even caring about it. So let's keep going. Productive day today. Sorry. So we're all set for today. Oh my God, it was a little funny, but look what we got. And Zaid's right here. His first grocery shopping with daddy and mommy. Those are moments that will never come back again. So let you know. We have to make memories. Wow, today's been a productive day and really special because somebody gave us a gift for Thanksgiving. I have an excellent Thanksgiving for sure. We made it. From BJ's, the first pediatrician, an appointment today. So let's take him home, break things up. Mom is here, so mom is assisting me. Anything goes wrong, she's gonna be by my side. So, later show you guys how to do this. Guys, I just finished bringing the last item upstairs, which is this one. Let's take care of this guy right now. The procedure is gonna be the same thing. We're gonna wake him up, give him some food, and there's some food right there, yummy food. Somebody's gonna be cooking for us, the mommy and the love of my life. I go to sleep by 6 p.m. and I wake up around 2, 1. It depends on how tired she is and so on. Let's keep it going. Keep you guys posted. 24/7. BabyBlab newborn.